Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm filming this from my parents' bed, because my other room it's like I'm doing homework right now. At least at the time of this recording, I'm doing my homework. I'm busy as hell, so I just wanted to, really excited to show you guys this. I know I'm pretty late to the game right now, pretty late to the party, but got you guys with this right here. We got the R33, two of them, R33ML, 7-train Redbird, and one R33 World's Fair Bluebird. I'm gonna get another one. This is part one of two-part, basically. The second part will just have the second one of these when I get it. I only had enough for these three, but yeah, let's unbox them real quick. Hold on a second. Alright, and we're back. I'm gonna unbox this one. You can see it's the 7. Has a thing on the back. It has the paper. So that's what it is. Whoop. It's just like my last unboxing where I did the W and I showed you the R68. Well, this is the same almost. Except you see how this has the 7 in front? Well, in real life it really wasn't like that. It was more so like this, where it had the oh, I'm sorry. Where it had the 7 on the top and the destination. Main Street, Flushing. And on the back as well. Well, let's unbox the other R33ML. So as you can see, they're basically converted to look more like how they used to in real life. Put them together, they're like that. Really nice train. I like how it's painted. It's oh, I'm sorry. It's a very nice looking train. I don't like though how the top stayed gray. It looks exactly like a normal 7 train, but aside from that, it's a really like a gorgeous train. I really like how it looks. Even if it's not converted, like even if it stays like this, it still more so stays loyal to how it used to look like. But this is exactly almost how it used to look like, except for this. I really couldn't find like a color to paint with that it matched exactly this color, so I used burgundy. Yeah, I just did that. I converted it. You guys can see closely if I could focus. Come on. Oh wow, it's actually getting worse. Shit. Damn. Alright, it won't focus. I don't know why. Alright, there we go. There. Times Square, Flushing. Alright, let's put those bad boys right there. And we have our only one. I'm gonna buy the other one like next time I have the chance, when I have money. Maybe like on Tuesday at the time of this recording. So yeah. It also has this. As you can see, I changed it. This side has the Times Square. Come on. It's not focusing. There we go. Has a Times Square. In the front. The rest of it really looks the same as it used to, but it's just the front and the back, which I converted. And yeah, that's the, put them together and it looks like that. Yeah, those are the R33ML, R33 World's Fair. I'm gonna get the other one for part 2. And yeah, just a quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.